Every successful business begins with a vision, but it is the execution of a well-crafted marketing plan that transforms that vision into reality. In today's fast-paced world where competition is very fierce, having a strategic marketing plan is not just an option, it's a necessity. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through the essential steps to create a successful marketing plan that not only reaches your target audience, but also drives results and grows your business. Whether you're just starting your business or you're already a business owner looking to refine your approach, these steps will help you build a powerful marketing strategy tailored to your goals. For those who are new here, my name is Davies. So, step one is understanding your target market. But what does it really mean to understand your target market? It's not just about knowing who may buy your product. It is about diving deeper into the minds of your potential customers. Picture this with me. You have a dream of opening a new coffee shop. You could just assume everyone loves coffee. But to truly stand out, you need to ask yourself, who will be the people that will walk through my doors every morning? Are they busy professionals looking for a quick caffeine before they start their work? Are they students seeking a cozy spot to study? Or maybe coffee enthusiasts who love their coffee? Understanding your target market means knowing their habits, their preferences, and their pain points. What keeps them up at night? What problems are they trying to solve? This insight is the foundation of your marketing strategy, enabling you to tailor your messages directly to those who need to hear them most. Let's take it even a step further. Think of your target market as a community of individuals, each with their unique stories, desires, and challenges. When you understand their story, you can position your product or service as a hero that helps them overcome their obstacles. It's not just about selling products. It's about offering a solution that resonates on a personal level. To gather this invaluable information, you might use surveys, analyze social media trends, or even engage in direct conversations with your potential customers. The more you know, the more effectively you can craft your messaging, choose the right marketing channels, and ultimately build lasting relationships with your audience. In the world of business, understanding your target market isn't just a step, it is the compass that guides every decision that you make. By truly knowing who your customers are, you're not just setting yourself up for success, you're ensuring that your business becomes an essential part of their daily lives. So, before you take a leap of faith, make sure you know exactly who you're aiming to serve. Your customers are out there waiting for you to understand them, to connect with them, and provide exactly what they need. So, you've already mapped out your target market. You know where they are, you know their needs, and you know how to find them. Now comes a pivotal moment in your marketing journey, defining your unique value proposition, or UVP. This is the heartbeat of your marketing strategy, the main reason why customers choose you over your competitor. But what exactly is unique value proposition? Let's break it down like this. Imagine you're in a crowded marketplace. Dozens of stores are offering similar products. How do you make sure that your store stands out? Your UVP is what draws customers to you. It's that special ingredient that sets you apart, that makes your product or service irresistible and differently from anything else out there. Your UVP is much more than just a catchy phrase. It's the essence of what makes your business unique and valuable. It is that compelling reason why customers will pick you, stick with you, and become your advocates. When you're crafting your unique value proposition, think deeply about the problem your product solves, how it solves it differently from others, and why this difference matters. In the end, your UVP is your business's promise to the world. A promise that says, here's why we're different, and here's why that difference is exactly what you need. It's the foundation upon which your marketing efforts will stand. So, as you define your UVP, remember, This is your chance to tell your story in a way that captivates your audience, positions you as the go-to solution, and leaves a positive mark on the market. Step 3, setting smart marketing goals. With your target market and UVP defined, you can now set your marketing goals using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, you might set a goal to increase your website traffic by 20% over the next 6 months, or gain 1,000 new social media followers within a quarter. These goals will guide your strategy and provide benchmarks to measure your progress. This brings me to step 4, choosing the right marketing channels. Choosing the right marketing channels is crucial. Not every channel will be effective for your business. Think about where your audience spends their time. Are they active on social media, or do they prefer receiving newsletters via their emails? Are they searching for solutions on Google, or are they engaging with video content on YouTube? Select channels that align with your audience's behavior and focus all your efforts to maximize your impact. Step 5, crafting your marketing message. Think of your marketing message as that bridge. One side, you have your business, its values, missions, and unique benefits you offer. And on the other side, you have your audience, people with specific needs, desires, and pain points. Your marketing message is the bridge that connects these two sides together, creating a clear, compelling pathway that leads your audience straight to your business. But crafting this message is an art in itself. It is about more than just listing features or making bold claims. It is about telling a story that captivates and inspires. By crafting your marketing message, start by identifying the core message you want to communicate. What is the most important thing your audience needs to know about your product or service? What problems does it solve for them? How does it even make their life better? Then think about the tone and language that will resonate with your audience. Your marketing message should be clear, should be concise, and also should be memorable. You should highlight your UVP and speak directly to the needs and desires of your target market. But most importantly, it should also invoke emotions. People make decisions based on how they feel, so your message should tap into their emotions and create that connection. So, we are remaining with step 6 and step 7 on how to create a successful marketing plan for your business. Step 6, creating a content calendar. Consistency is key in marketing. A content calendar helps you stay organized and also ensures that you're consistently engaging with your audience. Plan out your content in advance. Schedule your social media posts, blogs, email campaigns, and also promotions. This not only helps you to stay on track, but also allows you to align your content with key dates and events. Step 7, monitoring and measuring success. Finally, no marketing plan is complete without monitoring and measuring its success. Use analytics tools to track your progress against your SMART goals. Analyze what's working and what isn't, and be ready to adapt your strategy as needed. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. What works today may not necessarily work tomorrow. Creating a successful marketing plan isn't just about promoting your business. It's about building lasting relationships with your customers and driving sustainable growth. By following these 7 steps, you'll be well on your way to developing a marketing strategy that not only reaches your target audience, but also delivers real results. If you got any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. As always, thank you for stopping by, and see you in the next video.